Hey, hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a Venmo account. Alright, so let's not waste any time. Let's get right into it. First step is downloading and installing the Venmo app. So the first thing you want to do is to go to the Apple Store for iOS devices, or go to the Google Play Store for Android devices. And then what you want to do is to search for the Venmo app, and once you find it, you tap get or install to download the app, and that's step one done. Alright, quickly moving on to step two, and that is signing up a Venmo account. So now that you have the app installed, first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open it and then tap sign up. So you want to enter your first and last name, email address and phone number. Then you want to create a password and confirm your password. Enter your birth date and zip code, and of course you have to agree to the terms of services and privacy policies and all that. And after you're done with that, you need to verify your phone number or your email address. Okay, so Venmo will send you a confirmation code to your phone number or email address, and you want to enter the verification code to confirm. And once that is done, we move on straight to linking a payment method, and there are two steps for that. So first you want to tap add payment method and then select either bank account, debit card or credit card. So yeah, after that you have to enter the required information such as your bank account number, routing number, or your debit card or credit card details. Alright, and after that is done, you have to set up your profile. So coming down to setting up your profile, first thing you want to do is to add a profile picture by tapping the camera icon, and then you enter a username and your bio, but that's optional, so it's up to you. But then you can set up your privacy settings to control who can see your transaction and profile information. Of course, that's all personal stuff, relative. After that, you have to verify your identity if you want to. Venmo may require you to verify your identity to increase the transaction limit or access additional features on the app. All you have to do is just tap verify identity and follow the prompts to provide the required information and documents. Once that is done, you're ready to use Venmo. Okay, so now you can send and receive money, split the bills, make purchases using your Venmo account. And of course there are a lot more you can do on the app, so you can just go around and explore the app and find out what those features are. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you found it useful, and I will see you guys in the next one.